Olá, eu sou o Carlos Eduardo do Ponto Orlando e aqui está comigo o Pedro, meu filho. A gente está no SAVI'S WORKSHOP, a loja aqui no Star Wars Galaxy's Edge que você monta o seu sabre de luz, o seu lightsaber. E hoje é a vez do Pedro montar o lightsaber dele e eu vou estar mostrando isso para vocês.
And to all of you, welcome to the workshop. I know, it's a little, well, it's a lot. But to us, it is everything. These are my fellow gatherers. You may call me Kembe. I know what you're all thinking. This all looks like a lot of old junk. Oh, well, let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk as well. Well, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, and it is our purpose to travel the galaxy in search of ancient relics. We look in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here to our workshop. That's why you're all here, to look ahead, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them both. Obi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and so we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, by many, it is called the colour of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes. Picture it. Hold it in your mind. Which color calls to you? Which color do you see in your mind? Which color is yours? Red. Pretty. Very good, builders. We all have our crystals, if you haven't already. Place those kyber crystals onto the green crystal holders you see in front of you. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is your center of control, and it's also the part that stops your hands from being disintegrated. Fine choice indeed. Builders, go ahead and place a hand over your hilt. Feel that connection. Builders, you've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. I now ask though that you leave those completed hilts where they are, and everyone step back. Powerful crystals can be volatile if not handled correctly. Particularly volatile is that red crystal, so we're going to be extra careful. We went power on control here. Did you go with the red crystal? Yeah, okay. All right. On to the next stage of the what's happening?
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take our first step. The final stage is upon us. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. Are we all ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now, Builders, on my signal, you will all come forward. Place a hand on the hilt of your saber, and together we will activate. Come forward, Builders, and activate. Now go ahead, Builders. Raise those lightsabers. Builders, you have all built lightsabers, just like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. But your journeys are just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. You're all as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built today. And who knows, perhaps next time, we may be telling your stories. Till the Spy.
Till the Spy.
Thank you so much. Yeah, right this way, please, that same machine. Thank you, everyone.
Acabamos de sair da experiência do SAVI'S WORKSHOP. Amigos e amigas, é fantástico, tá? Vale a pena mesmo. É caro, mas se você gosta de Star Wars, não precisa nem ser um grande fã. Vale a pena, uma experiência muito legal. Não deixe de acompanhar o Ponto Orlando, seja no seu website, seja no seu canal de YouTube, como também nas mídias sociais, no Instagram e no Facebook. Um abraço para todo mundo!